biru means building. Biru means beer. Please pay attention to the number of molars. Biru has 2 molars. Biru has 3 molars.
ビル、
Biru, biru, biru. And I got a comment about how to pronounce Japanese R. And in my opinion, please use L for Japanese R. Because Japanese people don't understand the differences between L and R. So you can use L for R. リンゴの方がリンゴよりもリンゴに聞こえます。私はこのビールが好きです。
どのビル？あ、ビール。
Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。
ビール飲まないね。ビール飲まないもんね。はい、はい。